Okay, good day everyone. And at this point in time, we will discuss the linear programming naman. So focus tayo sa linear programming naman as this is our second lesson for intended for our pre-finals linear programming. So discuss natin ang linear programming. Okay. So sabi dito, ayan. So we have here our learning objectives. So at the end of this discussion, you are expected to wait lang. You are expected to determine the solutions of linear inequalities and systems of linear inequalities, and at the same time determine the optimal solution of a linear programming problem using the graphical method and the complex method. So dito muna tayo sa linear inequalities, okay? Bago tayo mag-proceed sa main topic, which is the linear programming. So sabi dito, improving our way of living is one of our goals in life, which with the given resources that we have, we want to make most out of them. In this chapter, linear programming is one of the simplest ways to perform optimization. It helps you solve some very complex optimization problems by making a few simplifying assumptions. As an analyst, you are bound to across applications and problems to be solved by linear programming. So first, before we jump on to the main topic, which is the linear programming, let us first study the linear inequalities in two variables, okay? Because this is the introduction to linear programming. So linear inequalities are very useful in the study of economics, statistics, business, engineering, science, and other areas. In this section, solutions of linear inequalities are discussed with introduction of the linear programming. So sabi dito, we were about to discuss the different linear inequalities. So dito, we will be using symbols of inequality. And what are the symbols of inequality? We have, okay, what are the different symbols of inequality? We have less than, we have greater than, we have less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Those four, or these four, are the symbols for inequalities which we can use and mamimit natin as we go on to our discussion. Okay, we have two statements among statements of the form. Pag ax plus by is greater than c, or ax plus by is less than c, meaning that is a strict inequality. Very strict siya. Okay, why? Unlike dito sa ax plus by is greater than or equal to c and ax plus by is less than or equal to c, that is a mixed inequality. Why mixed? It is a combination of inequality symbol and equality symbol, which is the equal. Okay? Where a, b, and c are constant and a, b, and c are not both zero, are inequalities of the first degree in two variables. That's what sinabi natin na linear inequalities, because it is in the first degree. Okay? And then linear from the word line, because the graph formed by a linear is a line. Okay? Pag quadratic naman, parabola. Okay? So parang ganyan ang linear, so ang quadratic naman, that is a parabola. And these are these are the four inequality symbols na mamimit natin as we go on to our discussion. Okay. Now, it's time to study the solutions. Kailangan nating malaman yung mga solutions ng linear inequalities. Okay? Paano nga ba tumingin ng solutions ng linear inequalities? The solution of linear inequality in two variables is a subset of the plane consisting of all points or the x and y's whose coordinate satisfies the inequality, hence determining the solutions of graphing the linear inequality. So we need to locate for the solutions or the feasibility area or the feasibility region ng ating graph. Okay? So hahanapin natin yung mga solutions. So how do we locate for the solutions? So we have here steps. Okay. Steps. For example, mag-example tayo ng x para malaman natin. X plus y is greater than 2. Okay. So, first, sabi dito, replace the inequality symbol into equality. So, replace natin to. We will replace that one. So, magiging, ano na siya? X plus y is equal to 2. Ni-replace lang natin. And then, after that, okay, after that, we will locate for the values of x and y intercepts. Okay, wait lang. Madagdagan ko ng paint para ng whiteboard. Disregard muna natin yung PowerPoint. Ayan. Dalawahan natin. Dito tayo mag-graph later on. Ayan. So, we need to locate first the x and y intercept. Okay. X and y x-intercept para makagraph tayo, and then y-intercept. What is intercept? Okay. What is x-intercept? X-intercept if y is 0. And then, y-intercept if x is 0. Okay? We have formulas for x-intercept. We have x is equal to c over a. And for y, c over b. Ano nga ba itong ABC na to? This is A. Sa equation natin, this is A. Ayan. This is B and this is C. Okay. So, hanapin mo natin yung values ng X and Y intercept natin para malaman natin kung saan nga ba tayo mag-graph. Okay. What is our C? C is 2 over 1. That's 2. And dito naman, it's 2 over 1 also, and that's 2. Okay. So, our X-intercept is 2, 0. And our y-intercept, that is 0, 2. And after we locate the 2, we will graph. Okay, i-graph na natin. Okay, graph. By using the Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, ayan. So, 2, 2. Dito ang 2. And then, andito siya ha. Ayan, dito yung si 2, 0. Andito siya locate. Then naman, that is 0, 2. Now, paano nga ba tayo mag-graph? Let's go back to the formula, to the PowerPoint kanina. Saan ba yung PowerPoint? Okay, sabi dito, graph the boundary line. If the inequality involves dito na. Ayan. Dami na, no? If the inequality involves greater than or equal to and less than or equal to, the boundary line is solid, indicating that the points in the line are included in the solution. If the inequality is greater than or less than, a broken line is used, indicating that the points on the linear or on the line are not the solutions of the inequality. So, paano nga ba? Mag-drawing ako ng dalawang emoji at ito yung mga magiging basis natin. Okay, I will be drawing 2 emojis here para basis natin. Ayan. Okay, yan yung mukha. Pagpasensyahan niyo na yung pag-drawing ko, ha? Ayan. Sabi dito, if the inequality used is greater than and less than lang, ang pag-graph mo doon sa points dito, wait lang, asan? Okay, ang pag-graph mo dito is broken line. Okay, broken line. Pero pag greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, ang pag-line mo is solid. Solid siya, hindi siya broken. Bakit nga? Ano mga pinagkaiba? Meaning pag broken kasi, yung mga numbers doon sa line, doon sa graph na line mo, hindi siya part ng solution. Pero pag straight line or solid line, the numbers na kung saan na natapat or natamaan yung solid line, that is also part of the solution. Okay, naintindihan po, ganun po dapat 'yon. Now, as you can see, let's go back to our dito. So as you can see, the inequality used is a greater than. So what will I use? I will be using a solid line as to graph. Okay, mag-solid line tayo. Okay, wait lang. Ayan. And so solid line, ayan. So bahala na kayo kung hanggang saan nyo gusto yung line. Ayan. So yan. Okay? I use a broken line kasi the inequality used is a greater than. Or kung less than yan, adil broken pa rin. Pero pag may equal to, meaning solid line. Okay? After that, hanapin na natin yung solution. Paano nga ba maghanap ng solution? Okay, sabi sa PowerPoint natin, sige, let's go back to our PowerPoint. Okay, choose a point not on the boundary line, if possible, the 0, 0, and substitute the coordinates in the given inequality. If the point satisfies the inequality, shade the region containing it. Otherwise, shade the region on the other side of the boundary line. The shaded region is the solution. Now, let's locate for the solution. Ang gagamitin natin is, parang checking process. Diba ito yung equation natin? Diba checking process natin? Mag-substitute tayo. I-substitute natin yung x and y ng 0, 0. Okay, I am recommending to use this 0, 0 as your checking process. Wala nang iba. Okay, para mas mabilis tayo. Okay, x plus y is greater than 2. Okay, 0 plus 0. Kasi ang x to, y to. Kasi mas madali siya eh. Why? We all know that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So, automatic 0 to. Okay, kaya madali na yung 0, 0. 0 is greater than 2. Pag yes, okay? Pag yes, yung sagot natin, ang shade natin ay matatouch si point 0, 0. What's the point 0, 0 here? Kapag yes yung sagot natin, dapat ang shade natin is matatouch to. Okay, matatouch ito. Pero pag hindi, pag no yung sagot natin, dapat malayo sa kanya. So meaning, dito sa part dito, part doon. Okay? Now, 0 is greater than 2. Yes or no? It's absolutely no. Okay? No. Meaning, ang shade natin ay yung malayo sa point 0, 0. So dito, wait lang. Okay? Malayo sa point 0, 0. So, ang shade ko ay ito. Okay? All the numbers here are point 0, are the solutions. Ito yung tawag natin ngayon na feasibility region. Ito yung tawag natin, or the solution. Ito ngayon yung solution ng equation. Lahat ng numbers here. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, ganyan na. Ayan. Meaning, that is the, yan yung tinatawag natin na, ito ngayon yung tinatawag na feasibility region or the solution. Yan. Ganyan lang po kadali. The shaded region is what we call the feasibility or the solution. Ganun lang po kadali yun, ha? So, kapag yes naman yung sagot natin dito, for example, yes to, isi-shade natin to sa baba naman. Okay? Ganun lang po kasimple yon. Ganun lang po kasimple ang pagsasolve. Okay? How about this one? Another example. Ayan. Try natin yan. Okay. Y is greater than 2x plus 4. I-convert na lang natin to ng, let's convert this one into ax plus by is greater than c muna. Okay? And then gawin natin siyang inequality. So i-move natin to, di ba? Punta doon. So magiging negative 2x plus y is greater than 4. Kahit di mo na gawing equality na gawing symbol ng equal to, basta gets mo na yung process, madali lang yan. Now, let's look it for the x and y intercept. What is the x and y intercept? Okay, hindi ko na gagamitin yung formula. Bala kayong gumawa ng formula. Ibigay ko na lang yung value ng x and y intercept. So, dito, negative 2 ang x, negative 2, 0, and then 0, 4. Y, we have the formula x is equal to c over a, and then y is c over b. This is 4, negative 2, and 4 over 1. Okay. Now, let's time to graph. Okay, i-graph na lang natin. Let's graph. Ayan, graph natin. That is 0, negative 2, negative 2, 0. Andito siya. Okay, andito siya. This is negative 2, 0. And then the other one is 4, 0, negative 0 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0, 4. Now, anong ginamit na symbol of inequality? Greater than. So, I will be using a solid line. Ayan. Okay. Supposed to be straight line na lang yan. Now, checking process tayo. Checking process. Okay, with this equation, negative 2x plus y is greater than 4. 0 automatic yan. Why? Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So, negative 2 times, instead of, kaysa nga, di ba sinabi ko na 0, 0 ang gamitin nyo kasi hindi wala nang mahabang solving process. Kasi kaysa mag-solve pa kayo 2 times 0, 4 times 0, kasi automatic 0 na yan. Okay, so 0 is greater than 4. Yes or no? Or true or false? Is it 0 greater than 4? No, it's not. So this is no. No. Meaning, anong shaded region natin dito? The shaded region is, okay, the shaded region is away from 0.00, malayo dito. So this one. Ayan. So this one. Wait lang. The numbers here. Ayan. So ganyan na lang. Okay. So, ganyan na lang siya para mabilis tayo. Ayan. Okay. Pasensya nyo na yung pag-shade ko, ha? Ayan. So, this is what we call the feasibility region na tinatawag natin. Now, this is the solution kamo na lang. Solution of what equation? The solution of the equation y greater than 2x plus 4. This is the solution niya. Ayan. Yan yung solution niya. Okay? So, naintindihan? Pero pag nag-yes tayo, matatouch yung 0.00. Another one. Ayan, parang ganyan. Natouch siya. Sa boundary line is broken since the inequality is strict. And then, nag-choose 0, 0 tayo. 0 na not true. Kaya ganit yan. Okay, diba? Same lang din. Okay. How about pag ganyan? Pag ganyan lang, ganyan lang, y is greater than or less, y is less than or equal. Pag y or x lang ang given, mas madali yan. Okay? Mas madali yan. Ganito lang siya. Kasi hindi mo na hahanapin si x eh. Automatic walang x. 0 siya. Okay, ganyan. So, automatic, y is, what's the value of, walang x-intercept. Okay, so, ang andyan lang is y-intercept. And y-intercept is 4. Automatic, 4. Now, i-graph mo na lang siya. Okay? Graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito. Pag ganyan, pag ganito yung equation, it's either ganito lang siya, straight line lang. Pahiga lang. Kasi wala namang x eh. Pa? Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan lang. Pero pag x lang naman, so for example, x is less than or equal to 2, patayo lang naman siya. Pag ganito siya, patayo naman siya. Ganyan. Ito yung x and y. Ganyan, patayo lang siya. Pero pag y lang, pahiga lang siya. Pag x, patayo lang. Okay, I use solid line because less than or equal to ang ginamit natin. Now, checking process. Y is less than or equal to 4. 0 is less than 4. Yes. Okay, yes. Kasi 0 is lesser. And then after that, since yes yung sagot natin, so i-graph na natin. Matatouch to? Yes, matatouch si 0.00. Okay, ganyan lang. O, di ba? Natouch si 0.00. Kasi yes yung sagot natin. Natama naman yung 0 is greater than 0 is less than 4. Tama nga naman. Okay, ganyan lang. So, bahala na kayo. Basta hanggang dito na siya. Ayan. Bahala na kayo basta mag-graph. Ayan. Okay. So, this is what we call, ito na yung tawag natin na solution of the equation. This is the solution. Ayan. So, makadali, di ba? Now, how about this? Now, let's move on to kanina is 1 variable. Ngayon naman is 2 variable. 2 variable tayo. Meaning, ganun pa rin, dalawang equation naman ang pagsamahin natin. Okay, when 2 or more inequalities in one variable are graphed in rectangular plane, rectangular coordinate plane, the result is the solution of the linear intersection, blah, 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 is the region common into every graph. These are the set of points satisfying all the inequalities in the system. Okay, ito. One example lang. So, 2x, okay, 2x minus, okay, minus pala yun, minus 3y is greater than or equal to 6, and then y is greater than 4. Okay, now, what are the x and y intercept? Okay, kuhin ko na lang ha, shortcut na lang tayo. What's the value? The x is what? What are the points na lang? X-intercept is, wait. Huwag ganyan. Okay, we have points. Ano yung mga x and y natin? We have 3, 0. Ayan. And then 6, negative. 0, negative 2. And then, dito naman is, isa lang, 0, 4. Okay? Di-graph na natin. Di-graph na natin. Di-graph na natin. Ayan. Saan ba? Yung cursor ko. Dito. Zero. Dito. Dito siya. 3, 0, and then 0, negative 2 sa baba. So, is it a broken line or straight line? Or a solid line? A solid line because the inequality used is greater than or equal to. So, solid. Okay. Okay, how about the other one? It's positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Andito siya. So, broken siya. Okay, broken. Ayan. Ayan, broken. Tapos, pahabaan ko lang siya. Ayan. So, after that, try na natin yung 0.00. Okay, sa equation 1 tayo. EQ1. 2x minus 3y is greater than or equal to 6. 0 is greater than or equal to 6. Yes or no? No. How about equation 2? Y is greater than 4. 0 is greater than 4. It's no ulit. Okay, now it's time to graph. Pero sa pag-graph, ibahin naman natin para masaya. Ibang kulay. Bawat solution, ibang kulay. Red to. No. So meaning, yung equation 2 is hindi matatouch si point 0, 0. Tama? Ayan. So dito siya. Okay. And then how about the other one? Yellow na lang. So dito, malayo naman. Kasi no din eh. Dito malayo siya. Ayan, dito naman. Dito. Okay. Ito, suppose ito siya. Okay, na-graph na. Now, we are looking for the solutions. Asan kayo yung solutions dito? The solutions of the equation is where? Where is the solutions? Okay? The solution of the equation is this one. Ito. Kung saan yung nag-merge yung dalawang kulay. Dito, 'di ba? Dito yung merge nila, 'di ba? Dito sila nag-merge, 'di ba? Kung saan nag-merge yung dalawang kulay, yun yung solutions ng equation. Dito, andito siya eh. Okay, ito yung nag-merge, dito sila nag-merge, dito sa may blue na dinodrawingan ko. Ito yung merge ng red and yellow. Dito nag-combine. So meaning, that is what we call the solution. Yan yung solution ng dalawang equation or the feasibility region. Okay? Ito yun. Hindi pwede ito. This is not the solution. Okay, not solution. Why? Because this red one is the solution only of equation 2. Wala nang iba. How about this yellow one? No, it's not. No, not solution. Why? Because the yellow one is the solution only of the equation 1. The yellow one is the solution of equation 1 only. So, hindi pwede yun. Hindi naman pwedeng solution equation 2 yung na equation 1. Okay? Kaya, kung saan nag-merge yung dalawang kulay, kung saan nag-intersect yung dalawang kulay, yun po yung solution ng dalawa. Okay? Naiintindihan po? I hope it's very clear. And para ang ginawa lang natin kasi is pinag-combine lang natin yung tag-iisang equation. Tapos kung saan, ganito ha, kung saan yung nag-merge, yung kulay na dalawa, yun yung solution na tinatawag po natin. Okay? Gets po? I hope naintindihan nyo ha. Okay. Ganyan siya. Beginning by determining the boundary line. So, ginawa natin. Tapos, ni-graph na natin. Okay, ganyan siya. Ito yung graph natin. And then, nag-checking process tayo. Kaya yun, the inequality, the boundary is broken. And then the other one, then shaded upward, upper part. And then the second is sa baba naman. Hindi siya na-touch yung 0.00. And then the double shaded region is the solution of the feasibility region. So ito siya. Ito yun. Ito yung makapaling doble yung kulay. Yan yung tinatawag na feasibility region or the solution of the two equations. Now wherein, yung solution na yan ay pwede sa equation 1, pwede rin sa equation 2. Okay, naintindihan po? Ayan, naintindihan naman pala. Very good. Okay, with that, di ba, I hope naintindihan po talaga ha, naintindihan. So, ang ganito siya. Maybe mas maganda kung mag-graph kayo sa graphing paper or kung may graphing notebook kayo. I'm not requiring you to buy or to buy a graphing paper. I'm not requiring you. Kung meron kayong extra or meron kayong mga ano lang dyan na pwedeng graphing paper na parang bang matagal nang andyan, nakatambak, ganun, gamitin nyo. Or kung wala naman, pero may printer kayo, you can use mag-print na lang kayo ng graphing paper. Okay? Kung meron namang bibili, edi magpabili na lang kayo, much better yon. Okay, wag na kayong lalabas. Maybe I'm not requiring. Ang sa akin lang why I'm pushing to graph sa graphing paper kasi mas accurate yung mga distance ng mga line. Pati sa binary, mas maganda ring mag-solve doon kasi may box, hindi kayo malilito doon sa spacing niya or doon sa magkakapantay-pantay nila sa binary. Ganun din, para mas maayos. Sa graph naman, parang mas maganda, parang ganyan o accurate kung saan mismo nakalocate yung mga digit natin. Okay? So, I hope naintindihan na. Next meeting, focus na tayo sa linear programming. Diyan na tayo mag-focus next meeting. Linear programming na tayo. So, with that, thank you for joining again. Okay? Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and then don't forget to share to your friends and classmates and be updated always sa videos natin na dinidiscuss ko dito. Okay? Thank you for joining again. Goodbye. God bless and keep safe. Abush.